Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to continue on doing the patio project here. So today we're going to do some string lighting. So we're just going to get started by marking off where all the hooks are going to go, and then we'll continue on from there. So this is the basic layout that I'm going to be using for my patio setup, but for yours is going to be different. So you're just going to divide yours according to what your size of your patio is going to be. So I'm using the Costco 48 feet 24 bulb light setup there, and then just some drywall screws, some hooks, and I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna wire it. So let's see how it goes from here. Have it, I got the corner marked there, followed by the next one sitting at 6.5 feet, and then the next one is going to be at 13 feet. Depending on what your patio size is, you guys are going to be doing different measurements, so this is what I use. So just to temporarily to see if all my measurements are going to line up, I'm just going to use some drywall screws and a drill and just temporarily put them up, and then when I have the final design, I will use the hook. Have it guys, that's the end result of the patio lights. I think these walls are actually pretty good and it lights up the deck really well, so yeah, I give it thumbs up for the Costco patio light.